Morning everyone. This is Shyam Batra, Assistant Professor in Civil Department. Today topic is estimation, specification and contract is the subject and lecturer 4 on topic is components of estimation and contents. Components of estimation and costing is the one of the component is the design cost. Design cost of the product is estimated by the accelerating the expected time for the design of that product. The estimated design cost equal to estimated design time multiplied the salary of the designer per unit time. Here, estimated time is main taken design process and how much time and how much earning the money in salary. It is the main process in the estimated design cost. So design time can be estimated on the basis of similar products already designed. In design done by outside agency, the total amount paid gives the cost of design. Is the second one is the components of design drafting cost. When the design completed and the drawing will be prepared by the draftsman. Here drafting cost is equal to the estimated draft time multiply the salary of the draftman per unit time. Here all designs and drawings is draw the draftman is the separate cost of the drawings separate the drawing cost and also it is how many plans are how many times draw and how much earn the money draft time. And next one third one is the research and development cost. It is the third component in estimation and costing. Here the considerable time and money has to be spent on research and development work. The estimated cost and time on the are decided by the judgment or the past experience. Here mainly research work every plans and every drawings. It is the no creativity thoughts in research and development work. Previous all works are how many time saves and how much cost saves are decided the new judgment in new project. So it's past experiences used for the new project work. How to save the times and how to save the cost of estimate. Next one is the material cost. The following steps are involved in the material cost. First one is the prepare the list of all materials required to the manufacture the product. We are purchase the different materials and building constructions or projects like different areas, different rates are provided in the materials. So prepare the list of all materials required to manufacture of the product and all areas, all companies. So next one is the estimate of the weight of all the materials expected, like all the allowance for the material wastage, spoilage and scrap are also added. So here the estimate in adding the all materials with use 5 to 10% wastage like aggregates, aggregate means fine aggregates and sand coarse aggregates and steel work and cement, water, etc. It is the material cost use 5% to 10% in add the estimation of the project. So estimated of the material cost is equal to the estimated weight of the each part and multiply with estimated future price. So estimated weight of the each part means materials like cement, coarse aggregate and fine aggregates, etc. Means and also woodwork, paint, electrical solution and number of materials used in. So multiply with the future of the price. And finally the estimated cost of the all parts is added to get total estimated material cost of the product. Next one is the labor cost. The following steps are involved to the estimate the labor cost. The estimator should be have the knowledge of the various operations and missions, sequence, tools and labor to be used. So here labors are used machinery for the like steel barbening machine for steel cutting machines and lifting the materials means cements, aggregates, brickworks are lifted to one state to another state is they use the machinery and tools and labor cost is equal to the estimated labor time needed to the product multiplied with cost of labor per hour. So here how many work construct the labor and multiply with each hour how much cost of labor. Labor means like a masons, skilled persons and unskilled persons, etc. Next one is the another component of the estimation costing inspection cost. During this stage, the estimator should be consider the cost of inspection, equipments, gauges, and wages the inspectors. So construction time is how much strength is in concrete or walls or brickworks is used. Some gauges in inspection times used. So is the separate cost of the inspector cost. Next one is the another component of estimation and costing. During this stage includes the estimated cost and maintenance charges in the tools, jigs, pictures, etc. required for production. Here use the paint works and electrical works. This is tools used in this picture and plumbing work, etc. Picture works. So in this is the one of the component in estimation and costing. It considered their present prices, market turned, and the number of times of particular tool can be used during its lifetime. So the total cost per unit produced is equal to the estimated cost divided by number of jobs. How many jobs are used in this cost? Number of jobs means like one of them plumbing work, another job is electrical work and painting work, etc. Is the number of jobs. Is the initial number of jobs is multiply the total cost per unit produced. in estimated cost. Next one, another one component in estimation costing, overhead cost. This cannot be charged directly. All expenses other than direct cost are known as the overhead cost or indirect expenses. Example, administrative expenses, selling and distribution expenses, etc. It can be estimated by the referring the provisions records. Here, overhead cost means direct or indirect in administrative expenses. Administration means how to provide the materials and how to provide the labors and check the plans and inspection times, all provided in projects. So selling to distribution expenses, etc. So it is the overhead cost in one of the component in estimation and costing. So next one is the futures. Important activity in engineering designs and production. It is forecasting the future cost of estimating and process of planning are prominent activities in the manufacturing system. It considers all the expenditures involved like engineering and administration, etc. It requires high technical knowledge. Next one is the importance of cost estimating. The only accurate estimation can enable the leaders to make vital decisions such as a manufacturing, selling policies is a, in different cases. So first case is if the job is overestimated, the firm will be not able to complete with its competitors. If the job is underestimated, the firm will be faced with financial loss. So go to another case. So next one, cost of estimating and produces. The study of the cost estimation requires truly and understand it completely. Next one, second step is analyze the product and decide the requirements and specifications of the product. Next step is the prepare the list of all parts of the product and there will be materials. Next step is the take, make or buy decisions and prepare the separate list of parts to be the purchased and manufactured. Next one is the estimate the materials cost for the parts to be manufactured in the plant and determine the cost of parts to be purchased from outside. Make the manufacturing process plan for the parts to be manufactured in the plant and estimate in the measuring time for each operations listed in the manufacturing process in plan and determine the direct labor cost and determine the prime cost by adding direct expenses, direct material cost and direct labor cost. So prime cost is equal to direct expenses plus direct material cost plus direct labor cost. So mainly estimation and costing mainly cost of the expenses and direct material cost and direct labor cost. Here direct expenses is means planning and design departments expenses, and direct material cost is the materials means like says cost aggregates, fine aggregates, and also cement and paints and woodworks and brickworks and different metals to direct the cost. And labor is the masons, skilled labor and unskilled labor, etc. So next one is the estimate of the factory overheads, which is included all indirect expenditure incurred during the production, such as indirect material cost, indirect labor cost, depreciation, and expenditure on maintenance of the plant, machinery, power, etc. Estimate the administrative expenses. In cost of estimation procedure, next point is the estimate the selling and distribution expenses, which include packing and delivery charges, advertisement charges, and etc. So estimation costing procedure in main we construct the project's main is the advertisements. In include packings and delivery charges, advertisement charges is invested. Now calculate the total cost of the product. Determine the prime cost, adding direct expenses in direct material cost and direct labor cost. So here how much the prime cost in direct expenses and direct material cost. Like already we discussed the direct materials, coarse aggregates, fine aggregates, and material cement and water, brickworks, and etc. And direct labor cost is already discussed with masons, skilled labor and unskilled labor, different etc. So the total cost equal to prime cost plus factory overheads plus administrative expenses and selling and distribution expenses. So prime cost is the already we last slide we discussed prime cost is equal to direct expenses and direct material cost and direct labor cost. So next one factory overheads. Factory overheads means and direct or indirect administrative work and administrative expenses and selling and distribution expenses. Next one is the decide the profit and add the profit to the total cost to fix selling price of the part. So selling price is equal to the total cost plus profit. Total cost means of the project cost and profit is counter project profit. So finally estimate the time of delivery in conclusions consultations with the production and sales department. Costing definition. Costing may be defined as the systematic producer for the recording accurately every item of expenditure incurred on the manufacture of the product by different sections of any manufacturing concern. Main aims of the costing. The aims of the costing first one is the cost determination. To determine the actual cost of each component and cost of the final product. For fixing selling price. To provide information to ascertain the selling price of the product. Cost of control. To analyze the expenses incurred production so that control can be kept over them. Next aim is the comparison with the estimate. to compare the actual cost with the estimated cost to know whether the estimated had been realistic or not. Next aim is make or buy decisions to decide the which of the components to be manufactured and which parts to be purchased from outside. So here very main aim is the cost definition. Here each actual cost of each component of the cost of final product, mainly its determinants. Next one is the make or buy decisions. Here one of the component to manufactured or purchased from outside. Next aim is wastage reduction to help in detecting the undesirable wastages and expenses so that corrective measures can be taken. Here we are project in construction more wastage uses in every component or material. So wastage is usually adding 5% in steel, cements, aggregates, bricks, etc. So here undesirable wastage and expenses to help the detecting to correct measures taken. So like as how to know wastage in the like as columns, beams, how to reduce. So measurements taken total structure or project and remaining one of the parties used one portion remaining portion how to use remaining parts. So it is the reduces uh, and wastages. Next one is the suggest changes in designs to provide changes if the cost of part is higher as compared to the competing product. Sometimes some portions are very cost in different designs. So we suggest to changes design and compare the product and compare the quality and compare the quantity which is the better and take decision which one of the better and suggest to. Next one profit and loss to locate the reasons for increases or decreases in profit or loss of the company. So one of the project and taken in is increase the profit or decrease the profit or increase the loss or decrease the loss. Which point means to locate which reason and like which construct area we lost our profit, which portion. So locate the that portion of the company. Next fixing then the discount to help in determining the discount on catalog or market price of the product. So here fix the one of the rate and provide the catalog and provide the market rate. Then how to fix rate, how to discount from the product, it will help of the catalogs. Next pricing policy to help in formulating the policies for changing price of the product. Next, budget preparation to the enterprise to prepare its budget. Next, prepare quant- quotations or tenders to facilitate preparation of estimate for the submitting quotations or tenders. Next one, output targets to help in regulating from time to time the production of the job so that the enterprises can earn the more profits. So outputs, some clients are given the in time to time this product is provided, and we are helped to regulating the production of the job is improve and increase the product in time, so then early more profits come to. And example for one of the structure in construction, so we design the 40 days complete, we are the production of the job in complete in time like 30 to 35 days, then more earn the more profits. Next, legal provisions to meet certain legal and government regulations, cost data is necessary. So one of the construction developed and provide construction, then approvals taken government regulations in municipalities or mandal levels, cost data is necessary. Next, purchasing and new one to provide information for the economic consideration for purchasing new plants or machines, etc. Next one, methods of costing, job or order costing. Find the cost of the each individual job or contract. The total cost of the each order is obtained from the daily cost sheet. Example, ship building, machine fabrication, buildings, etc. Next one is the batch costing. Batch costing is the form of a job costing. Instead of the costing each components, each batch of component is taken. It is the batch costing. Example is automobile switches, plastic components, etc. Process of costing employed for a product which involve number of distinct process performed in a definite sequences. This method indicates the cost of product at a different stages as it passes through various operations. The process of the costing is example oil refining, chemical, cement, paint, paper making, etc. Next method is the departmental costing. This method is adapted to determining the cost of the output of each department separately. In this method, the actual expenditure of each department on various components in entered on a separate sheet. Example, steel industry, automobile industry, etc. Next one, operating costing. This method is used to find providing utility services. Example, the water service, electrical board, transport service, etc. Next method is costing, unit costing. This method is adapted by the firms which supply uniform product rather than the variety of the product. The unit costing is the example of mines, forests, etc. Next method in costing is multiple costing. This method is adapted where manufactured of standardized products having no relation to one another in cost, quality and process extra. Next one, elements of the cost. So total cost is a separate the elements of the cost. So first one is the total cost is subdivided into three parts. First one is the material cost, labor cost, and expenses. Is the total cost is divided into three parts. So each cost is subdivided into two parts. One is the direct and indirect. So first one, direct material cost in direct and indirect. Direct is the material cost steel bar for manufacturing. Direct and indirect is lubricants, coolants. Next one, labor cost is the direct and also indirect. Direct is the productive and operative process of labor, and indirect is inspector, supervisor, watchman. Next, expenses, direct or indirect or overhead expenses. So direct method in hiring, consulting, special charges, and indirect or overhead factory, administrative, selling, and distribution. This is the elements of the cost. Next one, estimation versus costing. We are totally take particulars for cell number, particular estimating and costing. First one is the nature of the cost. So estimating probable cost and costing in actual cost. Next one, particular personal in estimating high technical knowledge and costing in knowledge of accounts. Next, particular process duration estimation before the production and costing starts with issue of order, ends with the product dispatched on sale. And last one is the organization department. In estimation planning department, fair costing account department. It is both separate. Estimating and costing departments are separate in nature cost, personal, process duration, organization departments. So it is the components of the estimation costing and aims of the costing and versus the estimation versus costing. Thank you everyone. Any doubts and any queries? Any doubt? This is the first class in first unit. So thank you very much.